Hey YouTube, this is part 4 of fixing my morpher. And you see there's a gap, but that's because the X and Y didn't have all the stuff to it like I did with this one. And all I did was glue plastic to it. But I fixed the spring on it so it opens evenly now. Closes, opens, and it works. And all I did was get a mechanical pencil, took out the spring, bent the spring on both ends, turn it sideways. So let's say this is the spring. All I did was bend it leftwards where it's sticking out that way, and the other side the exact same way, and just put on those tags, and voila, a working morpher. Yeah, that's it. See y'all later.